In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to design stunning social media posters in Canva, even if you're a complete beginner. Whether you're creating content for Instagram, Facebook, or any other platform, Canva makes it incredibly simple to design eye-catching posts that look professional. By the end of this video, you'll know how to choose the right layout, customize it properly, and export it in the perfect format for social media. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy design tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Canva and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, click on Create a Design. Here, you'll see different preset sizes for social media. Choose the platform you're designing for, such as Instagram post, Facebook post, or even LinkedIn. Selecting the correct size from the beginning ensures your poster looks perfectly optimized and not cropped or stretched. Next, you have two options. You can either start with a blank canvas or browse through the templates section. If you are short on time or need inspiration, templates are a fantastic starting point. Use the search bar to type in keywords related to your theme, like sale, business, fitness, or event. Pick a design that closely matches your vision. Remember, you're not locked into the template. Everything is customizable. Now let's customize the text. Click on any sample text and replace it with your own headline, subheading, and call to action. Make sure your headline is bold and attention-grabbing. Keep your message clear and concise. Social media users scroll quickly, so your poster needs to communicate the main point instantly. After updating the text, it's time to add visuals. Go to the Elements tab on the left side. Here you'll find graphics, shapes, icons, and photos. You can also upload your own images if you have branded photography or logos. Drag and drop elements onto your canvas and resize them as needed. Try not to overcrowd your design. Clean and balanced layouts always perform better. Now let's talk about color. A consistent color palette makes your poster look polished and professional. Click on any element, then use the color picker at the top to adjust colors. If you have brand colors, enter the exact hex codes for consistency. Try to stick to 2 to 4 complementary colors to avoid a messy look. Next, focus on text hierarchy. This is extremely important in design. Your headline should be the largest and most prominent element. Subtext should be smaller but still readable. You can use different font weights, such as bold for the headline and regular for the body text. Canva also offers pre-made text styles that automatically pair fonts beautifully, saving you time. To enhance the visual flow, consider adding subtle icons, shapes, or accent lines. These small details guide the viewer's eye across the design and make the poster more dynamic. For example, you can place a shape behind your headline to make it stand out, or use lines to separate sections. Now let's improve the background. Click on the background area and you can change its color, apply gradients, or even add textures. If you're using a photo background, try adjusting it with filters to improve brightness, contrast, or saturation. Make sure your text remains readable against the background. If you want to take it a step further, click on Animate at the top. Canva allows you to create simple animated social media posts. You can animate text, elements, or the entire page. This is perfect for Instagram stories or Facebook posts where motion can grab more attention. Before exporting, take a moment to review everything carefully. Check spelling, alignment, spacing, and overall balance. Zoom out to see how it looks as a whole. Sometimes small adjustments make a big difference. Finally, click Share and then Download. Choose PNG for high-quality static posts. If you added animation, download it as an MP4 file. And that's it. You've just created a stunning social media poster in Canva. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Canva tips and design guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.